Today was really not a good day, but I want to share a verse to you. It's on 2 Chronicles chapter 15 verse 7. Laging on dira nga, be strong and let not your hands be weak, for your work shall be rewarded. We have set a goals for ourselves, dream job, to learn a high income skill, or anything that we really desire to achieve. As we keep doing the things to get closer towards our goals, we may encounter tough seasons, milestones that we need to overcome. There are times that we are forced to really stop what we are doing, but as we stick to our foundation, we really build it in a strong foundation and a strong purpose. No matter what tough seasons may we come through, we can execute it on a steady line. We keep on rising and do the things that we need to get done. Then, eventually, we will achieve what we really desired of in the long run. This verse tells us to be strong and let not our hands be weak, meaning we need to be strong and never give up on what we really started, especially when we are driven by purpose. So, mara to, daghang salamat sa pagtanaw. God bless o padayon.